Let's go back to our initial example and draw myTS first. If you want to add an extra series to your existing chart, you can use the lines function. This function allows you to customize the new line with different colors, thickness, line type, and more. In this example, you simply draw a new series, myTS2, and make it red. To make the chart more readable, you might want to create a new y-axis for the new series, myTS2. In this case, you will use axis function. The argument side equals 4 is the y-axis on the right-hand side of the chart. Using the pretty function inside the art argument allows you to properly scale the new axis with minimal code. Adding a legend to a chart is also part of the most common task to masters. In this case, use the legend function. It can be largely customized. In particular, you can choose the position of the legend and associate to it a certain line type or color or both, matching the line type and color of the lines on your chart. To highlight a certain point in the time series, use heavy line. With heavy line, you can highlight a certain date with the option v equal x, where x is a date in the index of your time series. You can also highlight a certain value of your time series with h equal y, where y is a certain value of your time series. In this example, you draw an horizontal line where the value of the stock price equals $10. You can go even further and highlight an entire period in a time series. There are several ways of achieving this, but a quick and easy way is to use a specific package. The performance analytics package, and more specifically the chart.timeSeries function in this package. In this example, the highlighted period is represented by background in light blue. Like pretty much everything in R, this can be customized. Let's put all this to practice.